For those of you who don't already know, Hot Wheels lost the license to Ferrari December 31st of 2014. This was a huge disappointment to Ferrari fans.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles. As all of you are aware that Hot Wheels and Ferrari are coming back this year, this is such a great news for the collectors community. Hot Wheels and Ferrari are coming back literally after a decade. Last time we could get our hands on Hot Wheels Ferrari was in the year 2015 or 16. The reason being, in 2014 or in the beginning of 2015, it was mutually decided between Hot Wheels and Ferrari not to renew their license. And because of that, Hot Wheels could not make Ferraris, and it was very sad for the community. Finally, yesterday we got a very great news that Hot Wheels and Ferrari are back literally after a decade. So what can we expect? So the things that we can expect is Hot Wheels may release Ferraris probably in the next 6 months. That is the end of 2025 or the beginning of 2026. There are speculations that Hot Wheels will be releasing the new models later this year. So let's wait and see. Also, another thing to note is that Hot Wheels will be making Ferraris in all scales, like in all different variants. That is the treasure hunts, super treasure hunts, and the mainlines, and even the premiums. According to me, I feel that Hot Wheels will probably make RLCs and premiums first, and later it will go ahead with mainlines. So that is how generally it is. And I have few Hot Wheels cars in my collection that I would like to show. At first, we have this Ferrari F12 Berlinetta in a very cool yellow color. I got this in the year 2015. So this is a very nice casting, and back then there was not a huge demand for Hot Wheels, so it was actually quite easy to get. And mind you guys, this is uncarded. All the cars that I used to get a few years back, I used to just uncard them. So this is the Hot Wheels F12 Berlinetta. It has the Ferrari logo here and in the front and again in the side. Again, it's up to you guys if you want to collect carded Hot Wheels or uncarded. So it's totally up to you. This is the cool Ferrari F12 Berlinetta, and this is the base of the car. So this is a very interesting car. So another car that I have in my collection is Ferrari 458 Italia. This I got it in the year 2014. Again, this is a very cool casting, and it has a lot of interior details. So if you look at the back here, there's that detailing. The amount of details is so cool. This is a Ferrari 458 Italia in a very beautiful blue color. And mind you guys, there's this damage here in the front, and there's a damage on the door here. The reason being, I used to just take them on tracks, and so there's that small paint which is like worn away. So this is another very cool model. So this are some of the Ferraris from my collection. So do let me know in comments which one do you have and which one are you expecting. And guys, another thing to note is that Hot Wheels and Formula 1 has partnered up. So again, so there was already speculations before that Hot Wheels and Ferrari will partner up. So finally, Hot Wheels has confirmed, and we can eagerly wait for the new models. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and do check out my other videos. Follow us on Instagram, because that is what will motivate us to do more and more videos. See you guys in my next video.